Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to do an exhaust cutout for the V35 Skyline. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell to stay up to date with these builds that are going on. With that being said, let's get into it. Alright guys, if you've been hanging around the channel for a little while, you might have seen this rear muffler sitting over there. I got this probably about a year ago with the intentions of doing an exhaust cutout. So from here to here, so we'll just go straight through. Now that finally showed up from China and the box is stuffed, so it's in another box. Let's get it out and I'll show you everything. Alright, so here's the box. I've already been through it. Already checked if it works or not. So here is the little power box, I guess, with the aerial for the remote. Here's all the power into the cigarette or cigar lighter. So I'll probably end up hardwiring that. The valve, which works. A bit slow, be a lot. Oh, on the Forester I've got a vacuum one, it's a lot quicker. That just probably takes 2 to 3 seconds to open up. We have gaskets, 2 gaskets. The V-band goes on there. Have the dump goes on there. We have the cutout section. We have V-band clamp, and that doesn't look the best. Goes on there. Got the remote. So with this one, it just has lock and unlock, so it makes it look like just a normal key fob. Obviously open and closed. Already tried that out, and it works. Now let's get some bolts. So 3 bolts, 3 of everything, and yeah, that's how it got delivered. Falling apart, but it was in a bag, so it stayed together. Alright, I'll show you how it's all going to fit in. Okay, so that's going to go in there. So as you can see, this is probably a bit too long, so I'm going to have to cut it down a bit. As you can see, we've pretty much got the right angle there. Pretty damn good. However, we've got to get all of that in there, so there's going to be some modifications. Maybe even I might have to cut this and not even use this, but we'll work it out. Alright, so I just put it all together and it's massive. Look at that. Huge. Alright, so this is going to be a lot of chopping. Yeah. I was hoping this would be a bit shorter, this section here. It's still got quite a bit to go back. I might have to just cut into this original one. Don't know how I'm going to do it, like, to get the angle right, but Looks like that might have to be the way to go. Alright, it's pretty damn tight there. Been chopping away. I need to call on my assistant. Az? You gonna help? Yeah? I can work out where I'm gonna mount electronic stuff. Might do that at work, and I'll take you through it once it's all done. But it's pretty easy. Like, it's a cigar lighter that gets the power. Power goes into the box, which triggers via the key fob, and that just runs down this one. So basically, we could just get rid of that and have a switch in there. Just have a power, a fuse power, and an earth. So that's all it really is. Alrighty boys, I have changed my mind on how I'm going to do it. I'm actually just going to be using this and having it in there like so. Alright, so I'll just clean up both flanges, so cut off the V-band, and I think it was that one. So we should be able to fit it in here now with just a little bit of piping there. So I might be able to use just that. We should be able to get it all done, or even, yeah, I'll probably use that section. Then we'll still have a 45 to play with later on down the track for something else. Alright guys, I'm back. It's Wednesday night now. I didn't come out at all yesterday. However, during the day at work, I did put all the wiring into the car. Just to see how it will work once it's in. And then I'll probably end up hardwiring it without the cigarette lighter. So we'll get these flanges back on. This one's back on. And we'll work out the length of piping we need. Probably not that. Alright boys, finally got this side cut to shape, marked it out, got a little bit of gap there that I can fill up, but yeah, that's just in there. It's all centered on the flange, nothing is welded or tacked here, but now we need to work on this side. So yeah, this is going to be a bit harder, I think. There's a little bit of an angle to get in there. All good. Alright, I only did 2 tacks. One there and one there. There shouldn't be any movement. Hopefully there isn't. It's wedged in there pretty damn good. So let's start working on the other side. Alright boys, I think it's about 11 o'clock now, maybe a little bit past. I had to chop this off, so at least I could get to here to chop a hole there. After getting all the angles on the pipe, I couldn't get it out, so I had to chop that. You'll see, it was pretty close, and I broke it off, so at least I know it's only going one way. Plus I've got a line there, so we'll obviously try to leave the thickness of the cut, but that'll probably be the last weld that I do. And we need to cut out here as well. So we've got some weird angles going on. Well, I guess that's how merging into another pipe goes. So I'll weld up these flanges here and here, and then we'll chop out here and the one over there, and I'll have to weld these on because I've got a bolt right down here. I couldn't get it out as well, I had the other two out. There's another reason why I had to chop it. But once it's on, it's on. It's not going anywhere. Yeah, I haven't got much argon left. So, gonna be pushing it. So I'll get these flanges welded up. Get the battery on charge. I'm gonna chop these out, and yeah, I'll see pretty much when it's nearly done. Alrighty guys, it's 1 AM and sorry that I didn't get an episode out on Thursday. This is why. Ran out of argon, so pick some up today, I guess. It's already Thursday, and we'll finish this off. So close. Got to cut out. This all welded up. Nearly there. Promised the guy at work that I'd have it done by Friday, so he wants to hear it. So I better get it done. Alright guys, I'm back. It's the next night. We went and picked up some argon today. So oh, I got gypped. It's supposed to be on 3. Alright. Let's keep going. So yeah, this is the gap I need to fill. Have the same one on the other side. That's what it looks like. So should be able to make it look alright. Alright guys, this piece is all welded up. Still pretty hot. But we need to bolt the valve onto it, and then we'll get it onto here, where I can weld here and here. Hopefully I'll line it up all good. This one is to the stock location. If not, there's probably a little bit of movement in the mid pipe that will allow me to bolt it up. Just as long as it doesn't put off the tips at the back, should be fine. Alrighty guys, all welded in, except for a little bit down there that I could not reach. I have to fill that in with some exhaust gasket or cement or something like that. Probably about a centimetre. Just can't get in there. But let's bring Skyline around the back. Get the other one off. Get this one on. Hopefully this flange still lines up properly. Alright boys, the stock one is out. Get the modified one in. Alright, exhaust is on. So you just got to pack up, chuck that back in. It's all connected, and get the car down, and I'll take it out a little bit further away from home and see if it works. Alright boys, sounds like I've got a little bit of an exhaust leak. Scrappy. Don't like my driveway. Yeah, definitely got an exhaust leak. Now I don't know if it's the valve or the weld that I couldn't get to. Sounds alright with the exhaust leak. It's going to be stupid loud, I reckon. Wondering why it wasn't working. It's not plugged in. Right, it's now plugged into the cigarette lighter. Okay, I got it to work. Sounds a lot better. Alright, let's get out of here. I actually really like that. It's not loud at all. The valve's open now. And yeah. It takes a bit of time to open. Maybe I need a couple of shots to do it. Yeah, I really like it actually. So good. I really like it. It doesn't have the VQ35 trumpet noise, I reckon. Good. Pretty happy with that. Alright, head home. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. If you like this episode, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. And I'll catch you next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye.